Learn and grow your mind. Agriculture. Primary school living examination 2. We should follow the following steps for great results. Roman figure number 1. Read the questions and their answers frequently with space repetition reading technique. 1. Name the branch of agriculture that involves the rearing of livestock. Animal husbandry. The picture below shows students weeding a field. Use it to answer question 2. 2. Give 2 ways in which the weeding method shown can help in maintaining soil fertility. It removes weeds that compete with crops for nutrients. It helps in loosening the soil, improving aeration and water penetration. Other possible answers. Weeds can be incorporated into the soil to improve organic matter or humus. The nutrients or water which were supposed to be used by weeds will be maintained. Weeding improves microbial activity. Use the information below to answer question 3. Mr. Lee is a farmer who grows vegetables and also keeps cattle. He sells his products to large supermarkets. 3. A. Name the type of farming which is practiced by Mr. Lee. Mixed farming. B. At what level of production is Mr. Lee? Commercial level. The diagram below shows 2 oxen pulling a farm implement. Use it to answer question 4. 4. List 3 negative effects of pulling the farm implement on the soil. It can cause soil compaction, reducing aeration and water infiltration. It may lead to soil erosion if the soil is left bare. It can disturb the soil structure, affecting soil fertility. Other possible answers. It encourages the evaporation of soil moisture. It leads to panning. It destroys the soil structure. It exposes microorganisms, or organic matter to harsh conditions. It destroys microorganisms' egg, or habitat. Use the information below to answer question 5. Mr. Abbey wanted to plant maize. He bought 2 kg of maize seeds for 200 pula, a bag of pesticides for 50 pula and paid 130 pula for labor. He harvested 100 and sold 90 of them at 9 pula each. 5. Calculate Mr. Abbey's profit. Show your working cost. Maize seeds equals 20 pula. Pesticides equals 50 pula. Labor equals 130 pula. Total cost equals 20 plus 50 plus 130 equals 200 pula. Income. Sold 90 cobs at 9 pula each. Income equals 90 multiply by 9 equals 810 pula. Profit equals income, cost. Profit equals 810 subtract by 200 equals 610 pula. The diagram below shows a livestock management practice indicated by letter N. Use it to answer question 6. 6. Give 2 reasons for carrying out the management practice shown, ear tagging. To identify individual animals for record keeping. To prevent theft or loss of livestock by easy identification. Other possible answers. Animals can be identified for breeding or culling. To reduce theft. Helps incorrect record keeping. Ownership. 7. Give 2 ways used to find out the texture of soil. Feel the soil between fingers, soil ribbon test. Rub the soil between the fingers to check its grittiness or smoothness. Other possible answers. Molding into shapes. Slaving the soil. Use the pictures of crop seeds L and M to answer question 8. 8. A. Which crop seed, L or M, should be planted deeper than the other? Crop seed M, maize. B. Give 1 reason for your answer in A. Because maize seeds are larger and need to be planted deeper to access enough moisture for germination. 9. Which soil constituent makes up 1/4 of a normal soil sample? Air. Other possible answer. Water. 10. State 2 ways in which HIV and AIDS affect livestock production. Livestock farmers may become ill, reducing their ability to care for animals. Money which was supposed to be used for animal production will be used to buy medication. The diagram below shows a piece of land which has been eroded. Use it to answer question 11. 11. A. Name the type of soil erosion shown. Gully erosion. Other possible answers. Dinga, or rill, or finger erosion. B. Name the agent that carried the soil away. Water. C. Give 3 reasons why it would be difficult to grow crops on the piece of land shown. The soil has been washed away, leaving poor or no topsoil. Preparation will be difficult due to unevenness of the land. Loss of nutrients due to erosion reduces soil fertility. Other possible answers. Crops' seeds will be easily washed away because of the ditches. Roots will not penetrate because soil has been washed away. Some crops will be waterlogged because of ditch formation. The picture below shows an animal grazing on a piece of land. Use it to answer question 12. 12. A. List 2 breeds of the type of animal shown. Cow. Friesian. Ayrshire. Other possible answers: Brahman, Simmental, Bonsmara, Thule, Hereford, Charleroi, Sawana, Shorthorn, Aberdeen Angus, Ayrshire, Jersey, Guernsey, Afrikander, Mersey, Brown Swiss, Sarth Devon. B. State 3 ways in which the animal will benefit the environment. It helps in the decomposition of plant material by grazing. Its manure enriches the soil fertility. Grazing controls the growth of weeds and unwanted plants. Other possible answers: cow dung or urine improves soil fertility. Balances ecosystem by grazing. Provide organic matter when it dies. Disperse seeds. An agent of biological weathering. Use the pictures of farm implements A, B and C shown below to answer. Question 13. 13. A. What is the general name for farm implements A and C? Farm implements or implements. B. Give 2 differences between farm implements B and C. B is a tractor, machine powered, while C is a harrow, implement pulled by tractor or animal. B provides power and movement, while C is used for soil cultivation, breaking clods. Other possible answers: B is complex to operate while C is simple to operate. B needs high maintenance while C needs low maintenance. B is used for both primary and secondary tillage while C is only used for secondary tillage. B is used to pull different implements while C is used for harrowing. C. State 2 ways used in taking care of farm implement B. Regularly check and change engine oil. Clean and lubricate moving parts to prevent rust. Other possible answers: repair worn out parts. Store under shade. Paint. Check oil. Regular service. Grease parts. Tightening loose bolts and nuts. Check tire pressure. Check water. The diagram below shows a man spraying chemicals on plants to control weeds. Use it to answer question 14. 14. A. Give the general name of the chemical being used. Pesticide. Or herbicide. B. State 2 measures that can be taken to improve the safety of the man. Wear protective clothing such as gloves, boots, and masks. Avoid spraying in windy conditions to prevent chemical drift. Other possible answers: avoid eating, breathing, smoking, drinking. Wash hands after using the chemical spray with the wind, or in the direction of the wind. Dispose the containers safely, or do not reuse the containers for any purpose. Read the instructions before using the chemicals. C. State 2 ways in which the chemical used may affect the environment. It can kill non-target plants and animals, causing a loss of biodiversity. It may contaminate soil and water sources, leading to pollution. Other possible answers: kill useful plants, kill soil microbes, pollute water, kill insects which help in pollination, poisonous to the farmer, pollute the soil, or makes the soil acidic, pollute the air. Use the pictures of parasites shown below to answer questions 15A and B. 15A. How many internal parasites are shown? 2 parasite B or X. B. State 2 host animals for parasite X. Humans, cattle, or other livestock. Other possible answers: pigs, sheep, goats, dogs, rabbits, ostriches, donkeys, horses. C. Give 2 methods used to control internal parasites. Use of anthelmintic drugs. Deworming. Proper sanitation and hygiene practices. Other possible answers: cook meat thoroughly. Farm workers should use toilets. Use dosing, or drenching. Proper sanitation. The diagram below shows a method of preserving fruits. Use it to answer question 16A. 16A. Roman figure number 1. Name the method of preserving fruits shown. Refrigeration, or cooling. Roman figure number 2. Explain how the method named in A. Roman figure number 1 is used to preserve fruits. The fruits are stored at low temperatures which slow down the growth of microorganisms and enzyme activity, thus delaying spoilage and keeping the fruits fresh for longer. B. State 2 ways of packaging fruits for marketing. Use of paper bags or cartons. Use of plastic crates or baskets. Other possible answers: canning them, bottle them, putting them in boxes, foam or pack takeaways. Use the information below to answer question 17. A student planted a bean seed in a container and watered it. She placed it in a sealed box under direct sunlight. She came back after 5 days and found out that the seed had not germinated. 17. A. State any 3 possible factors that could have prevented the seed from germinating. Lack of oxygen, excessive heat, direct sunlight, lack of suitable temperature. Other possible answers: the seed could be rotten. The seed could have been planted deep. It could have been attacked by pests. B. Describe how any one of the factors given in A would prevent the seed from germinating. Lack of oxygen prevents seed respiration, which is necessary for energy release during germination. Other possible answers. Due to water logging, the seed got rotten. A viable embryo is needed to develop into a seedling. The seed may have been unviable. Suitable temperature is needed to speed chemical reaction. Use the information below to answer question 18A. A farmer was seen every day trekking animals along a gravel road to a water point. 18. A. Roman figure number 1. Name the type of weathering likely to be caused by the trekking. Biological weathering. Roman figure number 2. Describe the type of weathering named at A. Roman figure number 1. Biological weathering involves the physical breakdown of rocks into smaller pieces without changing their chemical composition. It occurs due to physical forces such as pressure, friction, or impact from trekking animals. B. Give any 2 agents of chemical weathering. Water. Hydrolysis. Oxygen. Oxidation.